Welcome everybody to another episode of the Dizzy Cap Car Show. There's 4. Oh my lord, it just pulls like a train. I'm out in my SU220 just for a very quick blast and a quick update video with you guys. A few bits and pieces that I wanted to mention. I've had the car now for 4 weeks and it's been an absolute pleasure to drive and to own. I had a really good trip up to the Peak District for a camping trip and just cruise like a machine on the motorway. Loaded to the gunnels, kiddies in the back, wife up front, and I think even the wife is coming around to the idea this is a really nice, comfortable car. That was until we got to the Peak District roads and I started driving it like it was meant to be driven. And to have this 220 horsepower monstrosity of a V6 in my back pocket for those roads was just awesome. Yes, boys! It's not doing much for my back pocket there, I can tell you that much for sure. It's that noise, it's infectious. It is wicked, absolutely wicked. On the channel, we've got a very cool modified R1 Escort coming up for you in a couple of days' time. I'm going to JDM Meet tonight. I'm going down to Loz Al's house to What Power's first power run day. I managed to clinch the first spot to see if this machine has still got any of its 220 horses that it was meant to leave the factory with, and see what power it's making. So I'm really looking forward to that and to showing you guys around the machine. And as I say, see if this car's still got any power to it. I mean, it does. I can feel it when I do this. It's just how much power, isn't it? Really. Right, main event for today. I have received a very cool product. FF04ORD is his YouTube channel and Instagram handle. A lovely fella who started YouTube about the same sort of time as me, hence why we got chatting. And he's just taken delivery of a 3D printing machine, which he's very excited about. He's decided to start making up some little pieces of artwork, which he's just sent through to me. So I will show you what I've got. This is Toothless ST220 Estate. Check that out. Very cool, right? So this is about a 6-inch model. He's designed these all himself, drawn them up. He doesn't want to get involved with downloading images that you can or can't use on YouTube, on internet and stuff. So he's drawn these up himself with a little plinth with slots perfect for the wheel and any text that you may want to write in there. So it sits in there just like that. What a lovely piece of art for your desk, for your sideboard, for your dashboard, which is where mine's going to go when it comes up to shows. So as well as making these ones, his most recent customer asked him how big he can make them, and he's made it up to about 10 inches in size for a piece of wall art. So same design, but printed bigger, and that's been sent out to his most recent customer. This one here comes in at £10 delivered to your door. You can customize the wheels, you can customize the text on there, you can do some painting on it if you wanted to change up the color, just do a bit of spraying. I think what I'm going to do is just chuck a little bit of white paint across the top of the letters just to make them stand out a little more. I really like the design. It's absolutely quality work in terms of the artwork that he's done, drawn up, printed, and it's just a quality bit of kit. So I was chatting to him about why I wanted Toothless on the plinth of that one, and the reason is it is the name of a dragon, of How to Train Your Dragon. The dragon is actually a Night Fury, hence the name, because this car is very dark, powerful and awesome. This here is Toothless. He made that up too. Check that out. That is quality. Anyway, so go and check them out over on socials if you fancy one of those. It's a really cool bit kit. But also just supporting other car enthusiasts with their ventures is just an awesome thing to do. Now, when I got my order through, he'd also sent me through this Dizzy Cap keyring. Simple printed plastic design. Check that out. Fits really nicely on your key fob, and you can obviously completely personalize the text you have on there. Reg plates, car names, car makes, car models. That can obviously be quite a bit longer if you need it to be. I would assume you could make them quite a bit thinner as well if you wanted a smaller design, but really cool bit of kit that. So please make sure to go and check him out. If nothing else, support him on social media, but these ones coming in at £5 delivered to your door. Also these ones printed, design with plinth, £10 to your door, and then the wall art version of this, £20 delivered. And guess what, guys, that's all the way to your door. He's done loads of designs already: a Bond Bug, an Audi TT, a 7 Series Estate, a Mark III Fiesta 3-door and 5-door, I think a Mark 6 Fiesta as well. He's just done an XR3 Cabriolet for a friend of mine. Yeah, he's done quite a few already, and he has got a couple of people on a waiting list for designs to be made up as well. So if you want to get your hands on one of these quality little pieces of artwork for your pride and joy, make sure to go and check him out. Drop him a DM or a comment on this video, and he'll get you on the waiting list for a design for your car. Right, I'm going to start rambling if I don't wrap it up now, guys. So just a couple of recap mentions for you. FF040RD is the name of the channel and the Instagram for that fella. Dizzy Gap Social, 14th of September, just north of Bristol. If you're around the area or free on that date, please make sure to get yourself booked in. We've got real big flexibility on numbers, and I want to make this bigger and better than the previous years. Bumper sticker to go with every ticket, a raffle with every ticket for some Dizzy Cat merchandise, some prize cups to give out. Also the video, the photography, it's just a quality event, really lovely people, a really cool array of different cars as well. So please make sure to go and check out the date and get your tickets booked. Link in the description down below. I'm going to get on with some daily duties now, guys. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you fancy watching some more, why not check out this video right here? It's awesome. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so to keep up to date with future uploads. As always, drive safe out there, guys. And I really hope to catch you again on a future episode of the Dizzy Cat Car Show.